Get ready for a serious dose of crafty inspiration. I'm showcasing the amazing cards from last month's member challenge, and make sure to stick around because someone is about to win an extra special prize. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I get together with interested die cut and paper trimmer level channel members for a crafty live stream. Most months, there is a fun challenge where participants can be entered to win a crafty prize. Today, I will be telling you all about the April 2026 challenge. For this one, we did try something new, a tic-tac-toe challenge, where I came up with some parameters, spread them around a tic-tac-toe board, and then participants had to make a tic-tac-toe any way they wanted to. I did try to keep the parameters universal so everybody could play along no matter what they had in their stash, and somebody, maybe two buddies, did point out during the live stream that emboss is in the middle, which is one of my favorite techniques. If you are a die cut or paper trimmer level channel member and you would like to play along with this month's challenge, make sure to join us this Sunday, May 31st at 2:00 p.m. If you're not yet one of those levels or a member, you can click on the join button below this video to find out more and either start or upgrade. We always have a good time when we get together, and the more the merrier. You can join us on Zoom on camera, or you can just watch the stream on YouTube. But either way you do it, you can participate, and even if you have to watch on replay, you will have until the middle of June to submit your project. During the April Live, I did create a card, and the tic-tac-toe that I chose was splatter, emboss, and monochromatic. So during the live, I made this 5x7 card. I'm not sure if you can see that beautiful embossing, and the splatter is hard to see, but I did use some silver ink pad or silver splatter. Before we take a look at the member cards, I do want to show you the prizes they had to choose from this month. For each of the challenges, I like to dig into my crafty treasure box, and I usually choose 2 or 3 options for the winner. That way, if they have one of the items, they would be able to pick something else. Well, this month I did extend a special challenge to my members to get more of them to play along. Instead of picking out one of the 3 prizes, if 25 members played along, they will get the whole bundle. I called it the supersize prize. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cards that were submitted, and why don't you count them to see if we reach the lucky number of 25. Weren't all of those so fabulous? I want to know maybe one of your favorite cards or one of your favorite techniques that you saw during that showcase down in the comment section below. And also let me know, did you count those up and how many entrants did we have this month? Drum roll, please. 27 members played along, so today's lucky winner will get all of these items shipped to him or her. Now let's go ahead and see who the supersize prize will be heading to. Congratulations, and thank you so much to everyone who took the time to play along. I was so thrilled to have so many of you join us. To the winner, I will be reaching out very soon via email to confirm your address so I can get these in the mail to you. Don't forget to join us this weekend for the May Channel Member Live, where we will be getting colorful. That's the hint I'll give you. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.